My name is Daniel Prince. I am a tutor at WepTech Academy. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can do programming on your personal profile. Just as on your personal pages, you can do programming and save it for future use. Like let's say you don't have time to post the whole week and you want to just arrange the stuffs and let them be posting by themselves and you don't have time to do that. So I'm going to show you how you can do that on your personal profile today. So in order for you to do this, you need to have a Facebook account, which I already do, and I'm currently connected to my Facebook account. Apart from that, the first thing you need to do is to try to post something, okay? Just as a normal step as you always post something. So once that is being done, you have to click on next. Now this is now the tricky part, there's a little bit advantage and also a disadvantage when you want to do your posting. Like if it's that I wanted to post now, right, Facebook would have given me permission to share to other groups, but since I don't want to post now, I don't have this permission. What I can do is to come to a schedule, which is the main guide. Instead of taking post now, click on schedule for later. When you click on schedule for later, click on tomorrow. Then now when you click on tomorrow, what you can do from there is select I said happy weekend. So the perfect date for it is not tomorrow, it is Friday. It is the 18th, Friday the 18th. So I click OK. I said after that it's gonna automatically pop up for me to set up my time. So I'm gonna set up my time for 6 a.m. and I'm gonna click on OK. Once that is done, it has already been activated. So you see now it says scheduling options, Friday 6 a.m. So once this is done, all you have to do is click on post and it's gonna automatically schedule it. One little disadvantage with this is that it doesn't show you where it has gone to, but in the back end it is there, and all you got to do is to wait that time, 6 a.m. in the morning. You come and check on it and it'll be there. So that is how you can get to program your work on social media. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like, share and comment.